Take a look at this tweet. K-pop star Jennie Kim has been accused of copying the intro theme song of Rani from Rock Your Rani Ki Prem Kahani. The song in question was composed by Pritam. The tables have definitely turned as Pritam is involved in another song plagiarism row, but this time netizens claim that he is the victim as singer Jennie Kim of Blackpink has been called out for copying the theme song of Rani from the movie Rock Your Rani Ki Prem Kahani. Netizens all got into a frenzy as soon as someone noticed that Jennie's upcoming track, Like Jennie, seems a bit too familiar. Listeners on social media quickly pointed out that the song resembled the introduction song of Alia Bhatt's character in the 2023 film, which was directed by Karan Johar. The internet is now flooded with comparisons with both the songs juxtaposed. Without skipping a beat, the comment sections of all the posts talking about this supposed theft turned into a battleground. While many people called out Jennie for sampling the track without giving credit, others wanted more evidence. He is known for copying. He must have taken it from somewhere and Blackpink used the same source, said a user on Reddit. Jennie is currently working on her highly anticipated solo album. She opened her own independent label OA in 2023 and also announced a collaboration with Columbia Records in September 2024. The first single from her album dropped just a month later and peaked at number 2 and number 3 spots on Billboard US and Billboard Top 200 respectively. On the other hand, our very own Rani, Alia Bhatt, was last seen in Netflix original film Jigra. She is currently working on her next project Love and War alongside husband Ranbir Kapoor and Razi co-actor Vicky Kaushal. Stay tuned to Screen for the latest updates on it.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic Screen magazine. It is I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है।
गीत एंड आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing. You guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.